Here at Orozco's Auto Service, we understand that we work on cars, but our real business is building relationships. We are in the people business. Welcome to Orozco's Auto Service.